Hello, hello. This is Dr. Kevin from the New Renaissance with helping north of 1,000 chiropractors from where they were to where they want to be. There's a theme that becomes very apparent, and here it is. They were making their offices way too complicated and difficult. They're spending all so much time on non-patient care activities, non-growth activities. Now, in a nutshell, the focus of their offices has shifted from patient care to non-patient care. Now, I know it's necessary, your electronic health records, your insurance reimbursement, your compliance issues, your administration. I get it all. But the problem is too much time is spent on these non-patient care activities, and it affects you not only clinical results, but economics. That's the reason I'm hosting these live workshops, around the country to attract ambitious chiropractors that are tired of the expense, the overhead of buying all these add-ons and these multiple streams of income. Now, I don't have anything against anything you want to do in your office, but I appeal to those chiropractors that want to have a bigger slice of pure chiropractic in their office. Maybe they want to see more kids. Maybe they want to see more difficult cases, wellness, etc. But they don't just want to do pain relief. If you really think about it, if 50% of your effort during your work week is going to these non-patient care activities, it's got to come from somewhere, and it does. It comes from your focus on your patient care. It comes from practice growth. It comes from economics and getting amazing clinical results. This isn't all about another one of those you've got to have it piece of software or an add-on or a widget. It's learning how to communicate in the language of the patient so people understand you, so you can establish great relationships of trust, recommendations they'll actually understand, and also you get your confidence and mojo back, not just for chiropractic, but for the rest of your life. You actually are going to look forward to your report of findings. And a result of my guidance and putting in these systems, each new patient that walks in your door is worth 3, 5, or 10-fold that same patient if they walk down the street to the chiropractor and walk in their door. 3, 5, or 10-fold. It's a huge difference, and that's inside or outside of insurance, and you don't have to keep buying widgets and gadgets and all these things. It's a permanent, sustainable economic advantage over any other chiropractor, and it's in your office. And it's not done with smoke and mirrors, but actually learning how to create these great relationships of trust with people. And as a result, the people trust you. They don't have to be convinced or sold or manipulated to continue care. They actually want to stay. They want to refer, and they have great respect for the doctor. Transparency alert, there is a small fee to attend, Why is the fee in there? To attract the chiropractors that are really interested in growing and to dissuade other chiropractors that are either they have a smaller practice and they're proud of it, they don't want to grow, they want something for nothing, or they want to go from rags to riches without an effort. Or perhaps this one, you want to buy more bright, shiny objects. This isn't it. It's a capped event. There's only going to be a handful of chiropractors with their staff there, and that's to ensure that everybody gets my attention and all their questions are answered to their satisfaction, And again, it may not appeal to all chiropractors in the community that I'm putting this workshop on. It's not meant to. It's meant to appeal to those discerning few like you. So if you're interested in something different, or maybe even better, if you're sick and tired of practicing the way everyone else is, and you want to upgrade your office once and for all so that it's win-win for your patients as well as win-win for the doctor, I'm going to see you there. This is Dr. Kevin out. Thanks for watching.